Okay, so we went over materials and assignment on my other video, so let's go through the other ones. So quiz assignment is if you want to create a quiz. So you can go through and use Google Form to create a quiz. So if you have one already, you can put that in. If you want to create one, you can do that. And so I can go through and create a quiz. I can name it something. If I name it something different here, so let's say I'm just going to do this for A1. When I go through here again, it will update here. Takes a second sometimes, but when I click assign, then it will go through and it will do that. So I can create it to do all sorts of stuff. But that is the assignment quiz. Question is a really good one, and I'm going to actually create one for Google Classroom. So with basic questions. Okay, so I'm going to put in, like, here's my title. I want this for, like, obviously Google Classroom is my topic. So you can set it up to where students can reply to each other. Students can edit their answer, which I'm going to set it up for teachers. So obviously if you want to edit, I'm going to let you edit. If you want to reply to each other, like obviously reply to each other. So I'm going to put it as, so post a comment, a question that you have about basic Google Classroom features or setup. Feel free to reply to others if you have an answer to their question. So I'm going to put it, I'm not going to do it as a due date. I'm going to have it as I'm graded because I really just want what do you know or what do you need to know? So I can do it as multiple choice or short answer, but what this will do is it will allow students to write a question, and then once they write the question, they are able to see what other people have posted, but they won't be able to see what other people have posted until they've posted an answer. So if you have a question, obviously post it on here. And so then when I go through, I can see that nobody has submitted a question yet. And a lot of students will want to put something in the class comments. That's not what you are looking for. I wish I could show it to you from the student view, but I don't have that ability here. But when you click on it, it will show them where they're supposed to type it in, but you have to actually click on the question. So if you have students that are just not getting it, you just need to tell them that you're going to actually click on it. You're going to view question and it'll get them in. The other thing, you can reuse posts. So if I want to do, like, for example, so I'm going to go to where I'm at and basic. Okay, so I want to reuse it. And what I want to do is I want to put, advanced questions. So, right, anything you have about advanced Google features or setup. Anything that people want to ask. So then I'm going to ask that, but I just reused it. So I don't have to type the whole thing over again. I just go through and, say change what I need to. I can also look at, adding a topic from here. That's another thing that I can do. So that's kind of all the things that you can do within here. The other thing that's really cool is, so you have your Google Calendar that's here, but the class drive folder will have a collection of everything. So you can see all the things that I have posted, all of this information, all of these kind of pieces. And so students can have like a whole giant thing of what they've done in your class. So any questions, post them on here, depending on whether you think it's basic or advanced. And then we'll do some more with some other features.